sa movie na to, gano'n na kayo ka-excited for its release?
Of course, it's our first movie. So, sobrang kami kinakabahan and we hope you get to support our movie. Pwede naman kayo mag-inclusion na. Pinenta yung movie! Pero parang kahiya ka sa akin. Yes, pero alam ko naman susuportahan kami ng advertisers sa mga pamilya na nandito ngayon. So, yun, excited kami. It's gonna be our first movie and our third project together. And I just wanna say thank you to Paolo for doing this third project with me. So, yun, we're very happy and excited dahil malapit na po ito. It's under Star Cinema and American Frederick Chan Pidano.
Nasabi na ni Kim.
Thank you.
Ito, message sa mga